Hello all, today we are going to see about synchronization in Selenium. The same question will be asked as different weights in Selenium. How you will handle synchronization issue in Selenium. We can answer by using different weights, we can handle synchronization issue in Selenium. So I will explain what is synchronization issue. For example, we are scripting some web page and we have done our scripting by handling different web elements like a table or like a different web elements in a table and drop down everything. So we have handled and we have scripted and we are executing the same script. So while executing, our script is working fine, but the thing is, like, the web page is taking some time to load. The URL is getting loaded for some time and the web elements are taking some time to load in the backend. So at that time there is a chance that our script will be failed with some exceptions. So in order to avoid that issue, that both script and the web page should be in sync. So to avoid that synchronization issue, we will be mentioning the weights in our script. So there are different weights available. Depends on the web elements we are handling, depends on the scenario we are handling, we can use different one. We do have, I have mentioned here, implicit weight, explicit weight, fluent weight and thread dot slip. So implicit weight is basically it's applied to globally. So once if we mention, the default wait time will be applied to each element in the script. So an explicit weight is like for the specific thing. For example, if we have a particular element, so for that we have to apply with the particular conditions. If you can see in the example syntax, I have mentioned like visibility of element located. So this particular explicit weight will be checking that particular condition with the particular web element. And we do have a fluent weight. It is also like a same as explicit weight, but it will have some pooling frequency and it will check the exceptions. So we can mention the exceptions and we can try to ignore the same. As I mentioned before, if we have any synchronization issue between our script and the web page, we will be getting the no such element exception and everything, like other exceptions we will be getting, depends on the element. So to avoid that, we can fluent weight have a different exception handling methods as well. So here we are ignoring no such element exception. So these are all the syntaxes I have mentioned. You can check. For implicit weight, we do have a driver.manage.timers.implicit wait of how much seconds, milliseconds we wanted to wait for that particular script or that particular element. So anything. And for explicit wait also, we do need to initiate like WebDriver wait, and we are like creating a variable and then we are initializing the, we are giving the driver there, and we are asking particular seconds 10 here. So like that, this is the syntax you can refer. And for the fluent weight, we are giving the pooling frequency. As I mentioned before, the pooling frequency is for each, it will check the entire of 30 seconds, but for each 5 seconds it will go and wait for that particular element to be loaded, and also it will try to ignore the no such element exception. So basically this is about these three different weights, and we do have a thread dot sleep as well. Actually, it's always better to avoid thread dot sleep because it will take a long time to like a load or like that. But when we are doing some skeleton scripting or draft scripting, then we can mention thread dot sleep as well. It will also wait for that particular element to be loaded or that particular condition to be like loaded with the web page. So these are all different weights. If we do come across a synchronization issue in Selenium, we can answer like this. Yeah. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you.